Starting a lawn care business? The opportunity is yours. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business, but felt held back by high startup costs or a lack of experience? Let me tell you, starting a lawn care and landscaping business could be the perfect opportunity for you. With low startup costs, flexible hours, and a growing demand in suburban neighborhoods, this industry has become a gateway to financial independence for thousands of entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time venture, this business offers a path to success that's not only achievable, but also scalable. Imagine turning a $500 investment into a thriving business. It's not just possible, it's happening every day. Why lawn care is in high demand? Lawn care will always be an essential service, especially in suburban areas where homeowners take pride in maintaining a beautiful yard, but often lack the time or energy to do it themselves. From mowing and edging to mulching and landscaping, the opportunities are endless. With more people working from home, the desire for well-kept outdoor spaces has only grown. This means your services will always have a market, and with repeat customers, you can build a steady stream of income. Plus, let's not forget about commercial properties, which often require year-round maintenance. The demand is there. You just need to step in and meet it. Getting started on a budget. One of the best things about starting a lawn care business is how affordable it can be to get started. With as little as $500, you can purchase basic equipment like a used mower, trimmer, and blower. Many successful lawn care entrepreneurs began with nothing more than a push mower and a dream. As your client base grows, you can reinvest your profits into upgrading your tools, adding services like aeration or fertilization, and even hiring a team. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and provide excellent service. Word-of-mouth referrals will do wonders for building your reputation. Content that inspires and educates. If you're feeling unsure about where to begin, don't worry, there's a wealth of information available to guide you. Channels like Brian's Lawn Maintenance and Florida Turf Pros offer incredible insights into what it takes to succeed in this industry. From beginner tips to equipment reviews and before and after transformation videos, these creators are proof that anyone can make it in this business with hard work and determination. Watching their journeys can inspire you while also teaching you the tricks of the trade. So, take advantage of these free resources and start building your knowledge today. Take the first step today. The truth is, you don't need a fancy degree or a huge bank account to start your lawn care business. All you need is a willingness to learn, a strong work ethic, and the courage to take that first step. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and this could be your moment to begin. Think about it. What if a year from now, you're running your own profitable business, setting your own schedule, and enjoying the freedom of being your own boss? The opportunity is there, waiting for you. So grab a mower, knock on a few doors, and start building the future you deserve. The lawn care industry is calling. Will you answer?